Imagine a society that was absolutely shameless. Yeah, go past the first pictures of nude people walking around. What would it really mean? Who would you need to take into account? You don't have to care about what anybody thinks, so it would be a total chaos. Shame ensures that we take each other into account in what we do. And so how can we ensure that when something happens, that person isn't punished and excluded for what they've done, but is included in the society and is offered a way to repair. And it's not so much about the material damage, it's about repairing the relational damage that has occurred. And then we come back to the planet. What is our relationship with the planet? What have we done to our planet? And I'm not talking about us personally, but us collectively. I don't believe we should go the guilt way. I believe we should go the shame way. The guilt isn't going to solve our problems in my perspective. I think we need to shift into this whole idea of how do we change our attitude from punitive into restorative. I think the difference between shame and guilt is that shame is far more focused on the relationship we have. And I believe if we can focus on the relationship we have with this earth we live on, let's be honest, without the earth, where are we?